Hey everyone, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week I want to talk about this really great resource called Muck Rack. Yeah, Muck Rack. And with Muck Rack, you can sign up for the Muck Rack Daily. What Muck Rack is it's basically the New York Times of Twitter with journalists. So what's going on in the news? What are journalists talking about? What's hot topics? And when you get the Muck Rack Daily, you get a daily email that tells you what are they talking about at the water cooler? You know, what's hot for journalists right now. And that's really important when you're pitching because there could be breaking news or hot topics that is in your industry that you can pick up the phone, send that email, pick up the phone and say, hey, I see this is buzzing all over Twitter, in the journalist space. I can provide information on X, Y, and Z. So again, doing your homework, kind of staying ahead of the curve, but Muck Rack is a great resource. And if you like this tip and you'd like more, please join us for the free PR challenge at yourprchallenge.com. It's a great challenge. We have a lot of fun. We've had amazing success. 10 minutes a day for 10 days. I know you guys can do it. Join us and I will help you get massive visibility for your business. See you in the media.